Welcome to our How to Set Up Skype video. I will be showing you how to get Skype properly set up and working. Open up your internet browser and do a Google search. Click on the uniform resource locator bar or the search bar and type in Skype. Hit the enter key and you will see Google's results. Make sure that you download from Microsoft's website. Here is the correct download link. Click on Get Skype and it will start downloading. Once the download is finished, click on it and follow the installation instructions. You will see a new Skype icon on your desktop. I will take you through the process of setting up a new Skype account. You can use either an email address or a phone number. For this video I will be using email. You will receive a verification code at the email address or phone number you've specified. Enter those digits over here. One final check. Enter the text you see above. Here you can set up a profile picture, but we're going to skip this for now. On this screen, Skype helps you adjust your microphone and sound, and even lets you do an audio test and a test call to see if your microphone is properly connected and working. On this screen, you can set up your camera device if you have one. Lastly, click on OK and you will be greeted by the Skype user interface. Here you can make calls, send messages, and invite other Skype users. Click on the Skype search bar. Here you can type in the name of another Skype user to send him or her an invite. From here you can choose to invite the user by clicking Say Hi. You can also call the user from the options on the top right. That's it. Skype will by default start up with your Windows computer located over here.